at the zoo, and we're watching like
We
animals
just
right
came
now.
in.
Yeah, we just came in.
Look what we saw. Look how much. Oh my god.
There's a ton.
Guys, do you see the zoo? It's very Zamir. It's very mindful. It's very cutesy.
This is my mom. This is like, I don't know what it is actually. Look, there's a parker in here. Look. Oh, I must fall. This, everything is actually so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna go see the animals. We're gonna go to the restroom first because there was restroom fees, but this really weird restrooms. So you're gonna go to another restroom. We actually don't know where to go. We're not gonna film like everything that we do because obviously my mom also needed a phone and I didn't bring my phone. This bathroom, it's nice.
No, I'm not. This is very
This is nice.
Can you hold this for me?
No.
Scary.
Oh well. It smells so nice in here. Like it actually smells so nice. So we are out. Guys, I'll show you guys when we're with the animals. We go see the pandas
And the tigers.
and the tigers.
A bird, I think.
I don't know. We're not gonna feel everything though. Guys, you think that's fake, right? It's not fake. I promise. It's not fake.
It moved.
Look.
Up the rhinos.
Wait.
Where?
See, it moved, guys.
It's okay. It's alright. You can still read it.
Come on, walk. Come on, walk. Walk. Walk.
Which movie? I think he's gonna watch.
Why is she so slow? So's the next one. This one is moving. This one is moving. This one's moving.
Oh my god.
Why is it so big?
I know.
Hello.
Emma, cuando pares me avisas.
Guys, look, this is not real. It's fake. Don't worry. I'm just saying because then they're gonna ban me, okay? And there's these birds here. They're ugly. I don't know what are those. What are those? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
They're this, you know?
Yeah, they're this. Oh wait. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Let's go in here. What is this? Oh, a big. It's kind of cute though. Where is it?
Oh, there.
Where?
It's me.
Oh yeah. Shh. Look at that.
Can you guys see it?
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's right here.
It's so cute. Face review.
Face reveal. If you guys want my mom face reveal, give it a big like in this video. If we get to 1,000 like, I'm kidding. What is this? Is it real? No, it's not real.
Tigers,
This is
mira.
not real.
This is not real.
No, yes, it is, but it's like has like a varnish.
But
No,
somebody
this is not
can
real.
somebody can
This is
steal
real.
it. Somebody can steal it. So like, it's not real.
No, it is really cute. Oh, well, I don't know. Are you,
Are you? Yeah, we are.
a what?
We are carnivores.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
What's here?
Oh,
What is it? Tiger.
where is it?
Tigers.
Where are you?
No.
There's
Maybe
no
it's-
tiger. Oh, there. It's a leopard, no tiger.
Where?
It's a leopard, no tiger. It's a leopard, not tiger. Okay, girl.
Ah, yes.
It's a leopard.
Sleeping.
Wait, it's right there. You cannot really see it, but it's okay.
Why do you guys say tiger? It's a leopard.
Girl.
Okay. This is a tiger.
But you can see it better since the other side. Because there's here you can see it.
Wait, let's go in there. It's bachelor. Ugh. Where?
Aquí se ve mejor, Emma. Allá, míralo, míralo allá.
Where?
Allá.
Oh yeah, there.
Ahorita que tan baje lo ves
Yeah, you
mejor.
can barely see it, but
Allá está, Laysa. Can you see it?
Yeah.
someone there. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Guys, he's right there.
Here's where the pupil is. See me, and then I'll go over here and let these people see
Here, wait.
¿Y lo están tocando?
I don't know.
Sí, lo
Yeah,
están tocando.
it's touching them. Wait,
It's not touching them.
it is.
Maybe it's feeding.
Yeah, probably.
There you go.
Wait, look, Lisa. He's so pretty. I know. Anyways, let's go.
Ahí viene,
Oh,
ahí
look, look,
viene. Dejen para tomarles una foto con eso atrás. Quiero tomar una foto. Acuérdate que quiero tomar una foto.
Ya tomé una foto.
No, quiero una foto con ustedes.
So cute. Is it a bunny?
Rabbit.
Is it a bunny?
Yeah,
It's a type of one.
What the hell is? What the? What is that? What is? Oh, it's the air. Oh, I was like,
yeah,
what
because
is-
they can live with a lot of hot
they can't
in a hot place.
be alive without in a cold place. They can't be alive. Let's go. Giant pandas. Probably a shop. There's a lot of pandas in here. Where are the pandas? So they don't have pandas? It's just. It's like a. Wait, that's
your
a
water's blowing on me.
baby. It's a baby panda.
Wait, let's see it. Oh, wait, is it over there?
What? Oh, they're kissing. That's so cute. I'm a panda, guys. Panda. Where are you? Yeah. The panda. So pretty. Look at his habitat. Look. He's moving. He's taking.
Oh, he's
Wait, he's standing up. He's standing up. Oh. It's really pretty.
so cute.
Let's go to the next one. Woo! Now we are on this dragon. What's the name? Wait. Oh, sorry.
Emma, ten cuidado.
No, not me. Komodo. Wait. Komodo dragon. Yeah, that's the name. He's right here. This is the Komodo dragon. Lisa, how do you feel about this zoo?
It's very Zamia. It's very mindful. It's very cutesy. Guys, this is my footstep.
My mommy is there. I'm not showing her face yet. She's saying hi, but I'm not showing her face. You want me to show your face? Mommy, you want me to show your face?
No.
Okay.
Una foca.
Look! Where? Oh yeah, here.
plant.
Yeah, it is here. It is. It is here.
On the
Where?
plant there.
Oh yeah, but I don't think they can. Oh there. What the?
I would love to be here. I
Esa es
would
una,
like.
como una nutria, Emma. ¿Te acuerdas que la vimos también con Antonella cuando fuimos al...
Mommy, English.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
Oh. I would love being him because, like, look at this. It's very Zamia. It's very mindful. I would go in the water all the time. It feels more clean, you know?
Miren, look, she's playing. It's playing.
Yeah.
I think that it's
Oh,
scratching
really?
their
Yeah.
back.
Oh.
She's jerking.
No, maybe, yeah.
No, maybe. Yeah. Look on the water. Wait, there's another one there. He's underwater. Can you guys see it? Look, it's on the water.
In English. What's the name in English?
Wait, he's coming in.
Yeah.
It's so good. There's like mini drawings in a drawing.
Can you see it? Like mini drawings, like here, like here. Show this one right.
What does this says?
Show.
I don't know what this says.
Deberías hacer. De más lejos, no, para que se vea todo el video. Pero ponlo para que se vea todo, para que se vea el tigre.
Está viendo, mami, se está viendo. They can drive. They can drive. Yeah.
Look at that. I imagine he comes like here.
Quiero tomarles una foto.
Who about this?
No. No sé qué.
Gators. There's no more alligators in here, but I don't know. This is deep.
Yeah.
Dang. It's deep. Hello, crocodile.
Let's see if we find more.
He's looking at me. Like, I'm gonna kill you. Did you know slender sand crocodiles have up to 70 teeth that are continually being replaced? Dora, Dora, let's explode Dora. Where is the snake? There's supposed to be a nice snake somewhere here, but
No snake.
no snake.
Yes, please.
If you guys know what it is, comment below, because I don't. It's raining. Wait, is it actually? It's actually raining in here. Like,
Ay, mírale, ahí está.
what?
Ahí está.
It's actually raining. Wait.
Oh.
I don't see it. Excuse me. Where? I don't see it.
It's not too secret.
Yeah, it's not too secret door.
Find the secret door. There
Wait, let me
are,
knock.
but
Let me knock. Ow.
It's the crocodiles.
Ow.
Oh, it's for the crocodiles too. They have their own beach.
Yeah, they have their own beach, bro.
Now for me, it's not one.
Worm? I love it.
No, here is going to be
Snakes. Please not touch. I said don't touch it. Look right there. Turtles. There's two. Oh my gosh, wait, look. Is this broken?
Yeah, this is enough touch.
Look. But is it actually what?
So
Huh?
rondo, okay?
How?
Look at them.
La puedes ver mejor desde aquí.
Oh, she's so cute. Such a cute hamster. There's supposed to be this somewhere here, like a turtle, but I don't know. Put your feet here. Put your feet here. Wait, your both feet. Whoa, I'm in kindergarten. I'm in kindergarten, guys. I'm in kindergarten. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
No, this is so kindergarten. Like, you can die if you tap in it. You can die, guys.
Una ven allá, como negra. I'm sorry, black.
Where? Guys, look at the snake. those are the most dangerous because they're really.
Oh, let me take a picture.
No, clear. Okay, wait.
Oh, the frogs. There's so many frogs.
Where?
Mini frogs.
And where?
The yellow frog.
There, girl. Oh.
There's one right there,
So right here. There's one there.
and there's one
And
there.
there's one there.
Here's another thing.
Oh, there's one there. Oh, and there. This is everywhere.
Oh, yeah. No, I already saw that one.
Top of each other.
Look right there. There's so many. Look here. Look here. Show here too. Look there too.
What are they doing? Why are they trapping each other? That's weird.
They're cuddling.
Wait, where's the one that was topping each? Oh, there.
That one.
Guys, my fishes are sleeping. Fishes, why are you sleeping?
God.
Don't
No,
wait when you
look
walk.
here.
Wait,
Look at the turtle.
where? That's massive.
But it's real.
It
Yeah.
is. It is.
No.
It is. It was moving. Was it? Yeah, I saw it. Guys, do you know what's the name of my turtle? I'm in pre-K now. This massive.
No, look at the face. Look at the face.
Mira esa snake. Oh.
Oh. But the,
Es una cagavenado. Es enorme, es
what's
gordísima,
that?
acaba de alimentarse.
That's that, brother. Yeah, brother. Guys, comment below if you think this is a snake or a snake. Hello, friend. These are poison frogs. It looks blue but green.
It's burning. It was walking there. I saw a yellow one, I think.
That looks so poison. Like, look at that.
So there's one right there on the flower. There's one right there on the flower.
Miren, ahí tienen uno abierto.
Look, I'm gonna show it.
Nomás tienen ese abierto y si se sale el animal.
¿Dónde?
Ahí el señor está cortándole un palo. Con el animal abierto.
Bro, this is open. What is it? Oh, damn. Oh, there's nothing in here. It's just, no. An iguana. Iguana. Look at that snake.
He's active. He'll follow your finger.
Wait, what? Wait, let me go.
Oh, perfect.
Wow!
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god.
Oh, Gila monster.
Wait, come here. Wait, let's just stop.
La van a marear, pobrecita.
Wait, what if you go this way?
Come here. Come
Come this
here.
way.
Come here.
That's,
No,
that's the most normal snake I've ever seen.
That's so cool.
I know. Look how it falls. Sure. Do you wanna beat me? Cause I don't want you to beat me.
Oh, you can
Emma,
really see
mira.
it. Look right here.
Está camuflada.
Oh yeah, it's camouflaging. However you say it. But wait, do it with the finger. I'll film you. Where is it? Is that we cannot tap in them? Remember? No, I didn't do like this. I was like,
Not tap, just moving.
yeah, just move it. No, don't go. Don't touch it. She don't follow the rules.
I never said do not touch this glass.
I said do not tap or touch.
There's two snakes. Oh, it thinks there's two snakes.
There is.
No, she thinks there's two snakes.
Maybe he's hungry.
Let's
That's
go.
why she's looking for your finger.
Ooh. What?
That the snake is hungry.
I'm here, Chloe.
Okay, next.
Look at the turtles. They are so pretty. ¿Qué? ¿Qué?
Careful.
No, girl. She probably do that because they want to like eat you. So it's not that cutie patootie like you think. Oh, you just fell. Cutie patootie, listen, come here, come here. Let's go to the next one. Where are the turtles?
No, look. See, look here, look here. Show them here. Look, they're water. No, show them there. Look, there's totally. They're so big. Aww. They're so.
Guys, are you ready to see the snakes? In 3, 2, 1. There is so many snakes, guys. Oh no, I'm shaking. Guys, I'm shaking.
What is this?
Don't just look at the giraffes, guys.
They're so tall. Wait, go more here, go more here. They're so tall. Don't shoot them. The pictures.
Dun, 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 dun. Lisa, they're the same. You? Wait. This is too much. Too much. Okay. You and them. You guys are the same. There's a zebra right there. Oh my god, that's so pretty. So pretty and clean. Elephants. Well guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you like it, and I'm sorry that I didn't do like the outro there. I forgot to do it, so bye. Thank you for watching.